Here's another fan that deserves a re-video. I mean, you saw this fan during my 100th video thing, and yes, it is the same late 60s, early 70s Hunter 7-winged fan, model 11027. And I never really got around to explaining it because, well, trying to do all fans at once with a 15-minute time limit is really not that... it's challenging. But, yeah. And true story, yes. YouTube user Eric92DA has this exact same fan. In fact, this was his fan. He put it up on eBay and I saw it. It was a buy it now. I honestly forget how much I paid for it. But I saw it, looked at it, grabbed it, bought it, you name it. So, yeah. Oh well. But yeah, like I said, it's model 11027. Let's take a look at the top. Very gentle because... Yep. Only a 2-speed, model 11027. Catalog number 11027-004. 115 volts, 2.7 amps, 60 cycle AC. Hunter Division, Robbins and Myers Incorporated, Memphis, Tennessee 38114. 2-speed. Yeah. Put it back up. And you probably saw the cabinet being like a nice avocado green. Yeah, well. I've rambled on again, so... here's... hi. For a 7-winged fan, it's actually pretty quiet. I mean, when I used this last year, I mean, it puts out the breeze, but not the noise. Nope. Yeah, the grill's a little loose. And plus I have it on the patio table, so that's probably why. Hi. Turn it off and we'll check the spin down time. Okay, it's a little breezy, so this is going to take a while, but yeah. Well, you get the idea. 7 wings, breezy, all that stuff. But you have to admit, that has the wide 7-wing blades actually had a sense of style. And there we go. So, yeah. Well, that does it for the late 60s, early 70s Hunter 7-wing box fan model 11027. I'm Esky. Thank you for watching. Comment box is open.